Everyday carry isn't just about having cool gadgets, it's about being prepared, efficient, and ready for anything life throws at you. Whether you're tightening a screw, lighting up a dark path, or charging your phone in the middle of nowhere, having the right tools on hand can make all the difference. But here's the catch: most people think great EDC gear has to be expensive. That's where they're wrong. Today, we are diving deep into the best $50 investment you'll ever make for EDC. 10 incredible tools that deliver premium performance, rugged durability, and everyday reliability, all while staying budget-friendly. These aren't just gadgets, they're gear that earns their spot in your pocket, backpack, or glove box. So, let's get started with number 1. Number 1. Gerber Gear Dime Mini Multi-Tool. If you've ever been in a situation where you needed a screwdriver, pliers, or knife and didn't have one, the Gerber Dime Mini Multi-Tool is about to become your new best friend. This compact, keychain-sized tool packs an impressive lineup of features, including needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring action scissors, tweezers, screwdrivers, and even a bottle opener that's always ready for use without unfolding the tool. What really makes the Dime stand out is its engineering precision. Every function feels tight, solid, and thoughtfully designed. It's built from stainless steel, giving it a tough, corrosion-resistant shell that's ready for years of heavy use. In real-world use, it's perfect for small repairs, opening packages, tightening screws, and cutting cords. You could easily attach it to your keychain or stash it in your car or camping kit, and it'll be there when you need it most. The best part? It's incredibly lightweight, so you forget it's there until you actually need it. The Gerber Dime proves that sometimes the smallest tools make the biggest difference. Number 2. OLIGHT i3TOS Compact Flashlight. Light is one of those things we take for granted until the power goes out or the sun goes down. The OLIGHT i3TOS is the kind of EDC flashlight that instantly earns your trust. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it feels solid in hand yet light enough to disappear into your pocket. The spiral knurling on the body gives you a secure grip, even with wet hands or gloves. Powered by a simple AA battery, this flashlight delivers a powerful, smooth beam that lights up an entire room or trail with ease. The tail switch provides 2 brightness settings, a low mode for close-up tasks and a high mode for maximum visibility. It's also equipped with a dual direction clip, so you can attach it to your pocket, backpack strap, or even your hat brim for hands-free illumination. Imagine walking your dog at night, fixing a tire in the dark, or finding your way through a power outage. The i3TOS gives you control over your environment in any lighting situation. This is the flashlight you can depend on, compact, elegant, and tough enough to handle life's unexpected moments. Number 3. Nite Spiner Dual Carabiner Keychain Clip. Organization is the unsung hero of EDC, and the Nite Spiner is a perfect example of functional simplicity done right. Unlike traditional carabiners, this one features a dual gate design, meaning you can clip one side to your gear and the other to your keys or tools. That simple innovation makes it fast, secure, and incredibly convenient. It's crafted from high-strength stainless steel, giving it a durable yet lightweight profile that won't wear out or bend. Whether you're attaching tools to your backpack, keeping your house keys separated from your work keys, or hooking a flashlight to your belt, the Spiner makes the process effortless. You can even use multiple sizes for different gear setups, creating a modular organization system that fits your needs perfectly. The Spiner might be small, but it adds serious functionality to your daily carry. It's one of those, why didn't I get this sooner? Tools that instantly becomes a part of your everyday life. Number 4. Smith's Pocket Knife Sharpener. A dull blade is more dangerous than a sharp one, and every knife owner knows how quickly a once razor edge can go dull with regular use. That's where Smith's Pocket Knife Sharpener steps in. This compact, lightweight tool brings professional-level sharpening to your pocket. It features 2 slots, one with carbide blades for quick edge restoration and another with ceramic rods for fine polishing. What makes it even better is the textured non-slip base and finger guards that make sharpening both safe and easy. Whether you're using a hunting knife, kitchen blade, or pocket knife, this sharpener restores that clean slicing edge in just a few passes. It's the perfect companion for campers, hunters, or anyone who carries a blade daily. Toss it in your pack, your car, or even your fishing kit, you'll be glad you did. The Smith's Sharpener is proof that sometimes the simplest tools are the most essential, quiet, reliable, and always ready when you need them. Number 5. Wazoo Survival Bracelet with Fire Starter and Whistle. At first glance, it looks like a stylish bracelet, But the Wazoo Survival Bracelet is so much more. Inside this rugged piece of gear is everything you need to handle emergency situations. Woven from 550-pound paracord, it can be unraveled and used for shelter building, tying gear, or emergency repairs. Hidden within are even more surprises: a fire-starting rod, a striker, and a whistle for signaling in distress. Whether you're hiking through the wilderness, camping with friends, or exploring off the grid, this bracelet ensures you're never without the basics. It's lightweight, weatherproof, and always on your wrist, ready when you need it most. It's not just a tool, it's peace of mind. Knowing you have the essentials for fire and rescue right on your wrist gives you confidence in any adventure. Number 6. Anker Power Core 10,000 Portable Charger. Modern EDC isn't complete without power. The Anker Power Core 10,000 is the definition of reliability in portable charging. Compact enough to fit in your palm, it carries enough energy to recharge multiple devices, from phones and tablets to wireless earbuds and cameras. It's built with precision. Advanced circuitry protects your gadgets from overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The matte finish feels premium, and the LED indicators let you know exactly how much juice is left. Perfect for travelers, commuters, photographers, or anyone who hates running out of power, this charger keeps you connected wherever you go. Anker's reputation for durability and consistency makes this more than just a battery. It's a lifeline for your tech. Number 7. Key Smart Compact Key Holder. Tired of jangling keys stabbing your leg or scratching your phone screen? The Key Smart Compact Key Holder is a simple, elegant fix. This clever device turns your messy keychain into a smooth, pocket-friendly organizer that's easy to carry and silent in your pocket. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, it can hold multiple keys neatly stacked together, flipping out like a pocket knife when needed. You can even attach accessories like a USB drive, bottle opener, or pocket clip to customize it for your lifestyle. It's one of those small upgrades that make a huge difference in daily comfort. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. The Key Smart represents the perfect mix of minimalism and function, a true EDC essential for those who love clean, organized living. Number 8. Leatherman Micra Mini Multi-Tool. When you hear the name Leatherman, you think of precision, quality, and versatility, and the Leatherman Micra delivers all three. This tiny tool focuses on one thing: practicality. While it's small enough to fit on your keychain, it packs a full set of features including spring action scissors, a sharp knife blade, nail file, tweezers, screwdrivers, and even a ruler. Each tool locks firmly in place with that signature Leatherman sturdiness. It's crafted from stainless steel, resistant to corrosion, and designed to last decades. The Micra isn't flashy, it's honest, dependable, and always gets the job done. From fixing eyeglasses to cutting fishing line or trimming thread, it's a small tool that handles big jobs. It's the kind of item you'll carry for years, and every time you use it, you'll appreciate the craftsmanship that made Leatherman a legend. Number 9. Rovivon Aurora A3 Pro Keychain Flashlight. The Rovivon Aurora A3 Pro redefines what a small flashlight can do. Barely larger than your thumb, it produces an incredibly bright beam that rivals much larger flashlights. It's made from aerospace-grade aluminum for strength and lightweight performance, with a sleek, modern finish. This tiny powerhouse features multiple lighting modes, from a low glow perfect for reading maps, to an ultra-bright setting that can illuminate your entire campsite. It's USB rechargeable, so you'll never need to buy batteries again, and its memory function remembers your last brightness setting for quick access. Every design element, from its ergonomic tail switch to the glow-in-the-dark button, shows attention to detail. Whether clipped to your keychain, bag, or jacket, it's the ultimate balance between portability and performance. Once you use it, you'll understand why the Aurora series has such a devoted following among EDC fans worldwide. Number 10. CRKT Prima Keychain Multi-Tool. Ending the list is a tool that defines what everyday carry is all about. The CRKT Prima. Designed by Jesper Voxnes, this small but mighty tool combines simplicity and strength in a sleek, modern form. It functions as a pry bar, screwdriver, wrench, bottle opener, and even a box cutter, all built into one seamless piece of stainless steel. The curved handle design gives excellent leverage, allowing you to pry open paint cans, lift nails, or open boxes without damaging your blade knives. The black stonewash finish adds both durability and style, resisting scratches and wear over time. It's the kind of tool you forget you're carrying until you suddenly need it, and when you do, it delivers flawlessly. The Prima embodies the essence of EDC, practical, reliable, and always ready to help. And there you have it, the best $50 investment you'll ever make for EDC. 10 carefully chosen gadgets that prove you don't need to spend big to get professional grade performance. Each of these tools brings real-world value, compact design, and daily reliability, the perfect combination for anyone who takes preparedness seriously. Whether you're building your first EDC kit or upgrading your old one, remember, good gear isn't about the price tag, it's about how often it comes through when you need it most. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews, EDC setups, and gear breakdowns every week. Stay sharp, stay ready, and I'll see you in the next one.